Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time in your Fiat 500. Keeping your car's clock accurate is simple, whether you're adjusting for daylight saving or after a battery change. We will walk through the steps using your vehicle's dashboard controls. Remember to turn your ignition to the on position before you begin, but the engine does not need to be running. First, locate the menu button on your Fiat 500's dashboard, typically near the instrument cluster. Press this button to access the main menu options. Next, use the up and down arrow buttons, or sometimes plus and minus buttons, to scroll through the available settings. Look for an option labeled Set Time or Clock Setting on your display. Once Set Time is highlighted, press the menu button to select it. You will notice the hour digits on your clock display begin to flash, indicating they are ready for adjustment. Use the up or down arrow buttons to set the correct hour. After setting the hour, press the menu button again to move to the minute digits, which will then flash. Adjust the minutes using the same arrow buttons. With both the hours and minutes correctly set, press the menu button one more time to confirm your selection. To exit the settings menu and save your changes, simply press and hold the menu button for a few seconds. Your Fiat 500's dashboard clock will now display the newly set time, accurate and ready for your next drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.